I'm rocking it this year. Make mine a double. Mm-hmm, you know it. Welcome back to Drink, Friend, and Enter. So since it's 2018, brand new year, January, we're gonna be making a double shot today because from now on, we always make, not from now on, but on this channel, no, on this playlist, whatever, we make double shots. This drink was inspired by the fact that Donald Trump is our president. No, really, it's more inspired by the fact that everybody wants to forget 2017. 2017 was a horrible year. Whether you were fired, broken up with, people died. Wonderful people died. So much shit happened. So much shit happened. Whatever. Any rate, what we're going to do to start out the new year for 2018 is concoct a drink called the Mind Eraser so that we can forget 2017 and look forward to the bright future of 2018. Hopefully it's a bright future because oh my god. Any rate, peace, clarity, alcohol. Let's do this. What you're gonna need for this shot is some coffee liqueur. I chose to go with Kahlua because it's my favorite and they add a little bit of rum to that shit. You'll need some vodka, Green Mountain Organic, and then some tonic water. You will also need a lemon rind piece that I shaved from the top of the lemon. You'll need a tumbler, you'll need ice, and you'll need your double shot glass. This is obviously not a shot glass or a double shot glass, but I did measure it. It does hold more than 2 shots worth of alcohol. And it's cute. I realized I don't have any of my larger shot glasses because I just moved and I don't know where they are. So you get your ice and your tumbler. And you load up ice in your tumbler. Then you take 2 ounces, give or take, of your tonic water. I feel like shaking this is a horrible idea, so we're probably not gonna shake it. We're gonna stir it more than shake it. Because shaking something this fizzy, no. And then we're gonna take the amazing vodka, do an ounce of that shit, maybe a little more. So at this point, we've made a vodka tonic. So what we're gonna do to this vodka tonic is fuck it up, like hopefully we will our brains later so we forget, and add our coffee liqueur, or Kahlua. An ounce of that. Add an ounce of that. Gonna take my straw, mix it all together. So then we're gonna get fancy. You take your lemon rind and you do the whole, all the way around the glass. And then you take your wonderful beverage that you just created, pour it on in to your shot glass. This shitty looking brown drink is what you end up with. We're gonna do this. So we're gonna shoot this thing. Slancha. I mean, yeah. I have so much left. Let's do another one. Because I've got all the stuff. Slancha. You know, you could probably just make this into a drink. It doesn't need to be a shot. Shooting it is funner because it gets you drunk faster and you forget stuff faster. So, if you hate Donald Trump but absolutely love getting plastered, no, just like this channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Haters gonna hate, and I'm assuming that might happen if I mention Donald Trump and the fact that I don't like the man. Whatever, I don't really care. I have an opinion, you have an opinion, we all have opinions. This video is getting longer because I'm being preachy. Like, comment, subscribe. See you soon, guys.
Gotcha! Gotcha! You weak, pathetic fool.
Spider nuts. Oh my god. Thank you for that.